Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm showing you my like a backyard gardening where I'm planting some cucumber and such. This video is 4 days old. Actually do it from Thursday, but didn't get a chance to edit it, so I'm showing you guys the process went through and so forth. They're actually bursting up now because it's 4 days, and so I just want to show you guys the process.
Juega Ley.
So guys, these are the seeds that I use. Yeah, 200 come inside the small pack.
Like how much so?
And yeah, there I am planting it.
Two? Too much? But pause and snap out to see them.
Hold on.
Whoa, this too much. I can't take out some.
Juega Ley.
So guys, there I am covering up the holes. Yeah guys, I'm excited to do this because I just want to see the journey and so forth. I actually like to plant things. When I plant stuff, I not really plant like a large amount, like small amount. I like to plant things. So this is actually the biggest I am going, so I just want to see journey and so forth.
Juega Ley.